In this video, I'll show you how to change document background color in Google Docs. If you want your Google Doc to look less plain or match a brand style, you can change the page background color from the Page Setup menu. In Google Docs, this setting is called Page Color, and it changes the background color for the whole document, not just one page. Google's help resources also show that you can choose a preset color or create a custom one with hex or RGB values. First, open your document in Google Docs on a computer. Then click File at the top and choose Page Setup. Inside that window, look for the Page Color option. Click it, then choose the color you want for your document background. Once you pick the color, click OK to apply it. Community guidance from Google's support forum points to this same path for changing the page background color. If the standard colors are not enough, you can also create a custom color. Google says that in color menus across docs, you can use a custom color option to enter hex or RGB values, and in supported browsers, you can even use an eyedropper tool to select a color from your screen. That is useful if you want your document to match a logo, website, or brand palette more closely. There is one important thing to know here. In Google Docs, page color applies to the entire document. If you are hoping to make only one page a different background color, that is not a normal built-in Docs feature. Google support community discussions point out that changing page color affects all pages in the document rather than a single page only. You should also keep readability in mind. A dark or strong background color can make black text harder to read. So after changing the page color, it is a good idea to check whether the text still has enough contrast. If needed, you can also adjust text color and other formatting in the document so everything stays clear and easy to read. Google's color settings support changing text and background-related colors in Docs as well. And if you want all future new documents to use the same look, Page Setup may also give you a Set as Default option, depending on the interface you see. That can save time if you always use the same document style. This is commonly described in current Google Docs walkthroughs for page color changes. So the full process is simple. Open your document, go to File, choose Page Setup, click Page Color, pick the background color you want, and apply it to the document. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.